Stimulating and hydrating. Infused with rosemary to purify and restore hair, leaving it extremely soft and more manageable, and peppermint invigorates and soothes the scalp. Delivers moisture and hydration. Replenishes moisture to your natural waves and coils that are often lost from everyday styling routines, harsh weather, or environmental factors like humidity and hard water. Promotes healthy hair. Experience immediate scalp stimulation to wake up hair follicles, promoting hair growth while hydrating your mane with this customer favorite conditioner, free of alcohol, paraben, sulfates, and cruelty-free. Great for frizzy hair. Save on detangling time with this supercharged conditioner. Great for women, men, and kids of all hair textures: straight, wavy, curly, coily, relaxed, locs, gray, and color treated. Highly recommended for dry, coarse hair textures. Design essentials. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful and confident. With over 30 years experience, trust Design Essentials to empower you to look and feel your best. Every purchase is backed by the Design Essentials guarantee. Infused with rosemary peppermint. Rosemary purifies and restores hair, leaving it extremely soft and more manageable, and peppermint, an aromatherapeutic scent, invigorates and calms the senses, while simultaneously treating the scalp. Immediately revitalizes dry, brittle hair scalp. Our creamy textured, supercharged scalp and hair conditioner quickly penetrates and revitalizes the driest hair conditions while stimulating and soothing the scalp. Contains no alcohol. Quickly softens, detangles, and smooths hair cuticle greater than, deeply conditions and moisturizes the hair greater than, ideal for especially dry hair. How to use in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Shampoo the hair and towel blot. Step 2. Apply rosemary mint stimulating super moisturizing conditioner from root to ends. Step 3. Comb through, with a wide tooth comb, to the ends. Step 4. Let stand for 5 minutes. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly and style. Top reviews from the United States. It's What's Up. One of my favorite conditioners from this company. It leaves the hair soft and hydrated when used properly. The scent as of the rosemary and mint sends you and your client to a relaxation level of conditioning.